Me, nah, mad over girl. Make poop more girl walk. Link me a sentan. If my foreign girl a go on like she a give me bun, me just find a girl we local. Why you
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings, good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Who are going, my kings and queens, my line, so hope all is blessed and as usual. I don't know right now, it's after 6 in the morning, you know what I mean? Rise up and just do some exercise and getting ready to go on to work. 9 to 5, you see me? But yeah, I see a whole heap of things are going on right now relating to Shenseea and Drake and Kartel, they mention and basically my viewers and subscribers. But all of this for? Why? I don't know, it's all alleged. And it's coming from, you know, it burst out from 100 Jams, the radio station. They have one part in the world. See? Yeah. Say, boy, they might read us some bag of text, message and all of those stuff. But we don't hear it already, no, me late. You see me? But it's better late than never. You see me? I say, my viewers and subscribers. And also, I show you Jamaica right now, gone to the dogs, deplorable video. You know what I mean? Belittling, you know what I mean? The man of my rap garbage collector, you know. Just, you know, my viewers and subscribers. After the break.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and it's the dog gone away.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Welcome forward. Thanks for staying tuned at the right place there. So make sure you don't go away. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so you always get that notification. You know, me always try to stay up and active and keep on entertained. Zine, so big up all of the subscribers them and big up all of the silent viewers them who haven't subscribed it as yet. Zine, when you're not ready for do, please remember to click the bell. See? Now, my viewers and subscribers, before we get into it, Zine, I want to listen to a song from the artist. I'm named Style British. Zine, based in the UK, I think a Jamaican background, you know? Yeah, so I don't know him personally, but I like the song. You see me as my viewers and subscribers, I know from I like the song, I'm going to put it on the platform. Zine, yes, and I'm a co-worker. Zine, so the song your name, Pussy Watchman.
Jesus, hey, you, Mr. Pussy Watchman. Me see you a brief, I'm in the black van. Meanwhile, me a rev out your girl, you the outside, see the front door, you no stop bang.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you hear the man that say, yo, the man locked down, you know, celebrations at the drug grind, you see. He have the woman locked down and the man in the outside are watching him van. And he made the whole heap of nice and bang, you see me? Pressure apply. The man come out and start beating down the door, bang, 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 you see me? Yo, we like the song, yo, the man out there watch him nerves and run. Style British and walk off the man, girl. Peace more the song.
Me, nah, mad over girl. Make poop more girl walk. Link me a sentan. If my foreign girl a go on like she a give me bun, me just find a girl we local. Why you
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I hear the lyrics in the song up there. The man say, yo, if not mad over no girl, Zine, and if him girl a foreigner, like she want to stress him out and run up him nerves, him just go find a girl with local. You see me I say? Bad piece of lyrics coming from the vocal. Yeah, man. My viewers and subscribers, the artist name Style British, you can go check him out still. You see me I say? Yeah, man, and I don't know, give me support and help push the music. The music video look nice too. You see me I say, my viewers and subscribers. Now, let's get into the mix-up, Saga, alleged. I remember this is all alleged story, see? So listen where Jams 100 I say. Yeah.
Moving on to the hottest topic today. So, the hottest female dancehall artist, Miss Shenseea, is she's hitting headlines right now in a major way, and she just alleged that she's 3 months pregnant for Drake, but apparently Drake is denying it. But he did admit to hooking up with her back in January twice in Miami. However, he stated he used a condom and other forms of protection. I don't know what that is. She probably popped a pill. But Shenseea has already hired a Jamaican lawyer to get the paternity or child support ball rolling. All of this is alleged information, but she also shared the text conversation between them. So, Pressure, listen to the text. They saying this how this conversation gone between Shenseea, who's Jamaican, and of course Drake, who's Canadian. But Drake said, I want you to have an abortion. Shenseea, I can't kill my baby simply to indulge you. Sorry. Drake, indulge me, forget you. Shenseea, what? Drake, you do know what you're doing. You think you're going to get Kim Kardashian or Cardi B type fame out of this. Shenseea stated, forget you, you Jamaican wannabe. I already have fame. Don't let me send my millions of Shenyangs for you. So now Drake's representative stated the rep says he has no idea whether the purported text messages is even real or out of context because they haven't seen the actual text. But if it is in fact Drake's child, which he does not believe, he would do the right thing by the child. And they also stated that Shenseea visited Vybz Kartel many times and even sometime back in January in jail. So he might be the father of Shensea's baby.
Wow.
This is going deep. This is hitting deep. That's all I have to say.
My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness, and here we go on. Yeah, man, boy. Me don't know if you say. Me think of fake news. Zine, and where it all come from? Zine, they must say, I think Drake have an album come out soon, and they must try create a buzz. Shenseea must have an album come soon too, produced by I think a Russian that produced the album there. But me I say, them artists who are out there big and have them name and how much million followers or whatever. What kind of stunt them need to pull? To gain any traction. You're a big established artist. You're supposed to release a song and make your fans them know. So yo, go over there, so go tweet, stream it and download it or buy it and show the support. Why you have to create a buzz and tell a lie? See, you know we can't tell a man what to do. But I don't think that's right. If it is that way, as we say, it's alleged story. But if it is so, forget stunt and jar, all of them things there. Each one to their own. You see me, remember say me say I ain't not drawing a stunt for us, you know. I ain't not drawing a stunt for us. I'm not con for bus. Me I use me talent to me get from jar. But they don't know, Lionfoot now tell nobody if they have to live them life, so each one to their own. But that is just my belief still. If it is a stunt, if it is real, boy, I don't know, trouble there. I'll Kartel name I mentioned to Ratted. Is it be, oh, Adi, I get in this. Well, I know a long time I say Shenseea get Adi piece. Adi get a regular visit inside from the female them. What they are saying now, well, Lionfoot says, see it? Long time people say them things about your Kartel name call up star. You see, it's for sure, it's the world boss. I really the world boss. You see me I say, big up Adi, freedom is a must. Yeah man, you see me I say my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. Now, I know want to think about that situation regarding Shenseea and Ramesh and Drake and Kartel and the pregnant thing. You see me want to think it real or it fake? Let me know in the comment section, please and thanks. Also, now my viewers and subscribers, watch all the video here. No sound or night, but it's very deplorable and belittling. If it's a Jano style, the man never rob anything, all the pussy on the dog, the man never rob. Watch what go on. Fled to other countries where they got their ties, and that's how the virus starts spread and cause thousands of people for dead. You see that way they are, the government them come together and say, yo, we gotta give a country a global cleanse, you know, a clean up, a wipe out. Yeah man. But me only can send up a prayer to all the ones who lost their loved ones by corona. You know what I mean? R.I.P. I'm say my fellow Jamaicans, my prayers are with you. London, England, whole Europe. Let's come together and live as one, the whole Caribbean, you know what I mean, whole American. Boy, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I go on, the man on the bike, joke the people, I go and do them work of it. Make sure the community stay clean and you know what I mean? And the rubbish now they are light around, fill it up the place and cause any sewage or fly and maggot and all that. And the man on the bike, like he hungry, you know, you can have pure hungry desperation that, you know. And you see a man and I must see two women. Him juke the man, him not trouble all of the 4 people them there, the 3 people them. And the man in juke, I must say maybe the man have money in him wallet. See, him juke the man, and the man go in and pocket and must take out the wallet and give him. Jaja say I know, and he was caught on camera. Yeah, I tell you, say you're sad dog, I eat dog. My fellow Jamaicans have to be careful out there. And all of the people that are flying for holiday and all of them sitting down. You have to be careful because you don't know who to trust right now, star. It's very sad. You see me, sometimes I know who you know, as the next man see and set you up, you know. I say, yo, you know, say John Tam just win our money. Or John Tam just fly in. Then program run and set up go on. Trouble, problem. And so I say, I'm glad nothing never escalate out of that. And then just take the man thing and ride off and the people them gone. But it's very sad. It's very sad to see. That's why I say Jamaica, John star. Love Jamaica in a but. Ah boy. If I could wear magic, crime would have vanished. Yet Anna Francis that left me astonished. My viewers and subscribers, I don't know, big up on yourself. I don't know, Lion Foot. With another vlog, another one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. Let me know what you think. I'm out.